Hello, everyone, and welcome to VoiceNest English channel, where learning English is easy, simple, and fun. I'm very happy to be here with you today.
Hello! Hi, everyone. I'm also very happy to be here today.
How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. I am very happy today.
Oh, really? Why are you so happy today?
Because the sun is shining. I like sunny days very much. And you, how are you today?
I'm very good, thanks. I'm also happy today, and I'm excited.
Excited? Why are you excited?
Because of our topic today. It is a big topic.
Oh, a big topic. What is it?
Today, we are talking about how to train your brain to speak English.
Wow, that is a big topic. Train my brain?
Yes, train your brain like exercise for your body, but this time it's exercise for your brain.
Exercise. Is it difficult?
No, it is not difficult at all. It is easy and it is fun.
Easy and fun? Okay, I am ready.
That's great. But wait, before we start,
Oh yes, before we start, everyone, we have a small request.
yes, if you like our podcast, please click the like button.
Yes, the little thumbs up button. Click, click, click. And please subscribe to VoiceNest English channel.
That's perfect. When learning is fun, it doesn't feel like work.
What about watching?
Watching is also input. Movies are good, but sometimes they are very fast.
Yes, too fast. Fish, fish, fish. I'm lost.
So watch simple videos about things you like.
I like cooking.
Perfect. I cut the tomato. I add salt. You see and hear together.
I also like sports. I like football.
That's great. He kicks the ball. It's a goal.
My brain is happy.
Yes, a happy brain learns more.
Tip 3. Output.
Now, are you ready for tip number 3?
Yes, I am ready.
Tip number 3 is output.
Input is English in. Output is English out.
Exactly. Speaking.
But I am alone. I have no one to talk to.
That's okay. Speak to yourself.
Speak to myself?
Yes. In your room. In the car. In the shower.
Okay. This is my room. I see a bed. The bed is big.
Very good. Keep going.
I have a table. The table is brown. I have a computer. My computer is black.
Excellent. Your brain is working.
I am not translating. I see the bed. I say bed.
Yes, that is real training.
Let's review.
Let's review.
Tip 1. Think in small English sentences.
Tip 2. Input. Listen and watch easy English.
Tip 3. Output. Speak every day.
Learning English is slow, and that is okay.
Be patient. Be kind to your brain.
10 minutes every day is enough.
Small steps every day.
And most important, have fun.
My English brain is growing.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Please subscribe to VoiceNest English for more easy and fun episodes.
And leave a comment below. Tell us, how do you train your brain?
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribing is very important. It helps us make more episodes for you.
And please share this episode with your family and your friends.
Yes, share with everyone. Okay, now let's start.
I'm ready. Train my brain. Tip number 1. think in English?
Okay, let's start with a simple question. When you speak English, what do you think?
What do I think? I think in my own language.
Yes.
Your first language. I think of a word in my language, then I translate it in my head, and then I speak in English.
Yes, many students do this. But the problem is, it is very slow.
Yes, very slow. My brain works very hard.
Exactly. And our big goal, our happy goal, is to think in English.
Think in English? No translation?
Yes, no translation, just English.
That sounds fast.
It is fast. It is natural.
Okay, I want this. How do we start?
We start small.
Small?
Very small.
Like one word?
One word is good, but a small sentence is better.
A sentence? That sounds big.
No, very small sentences. Look, I have a pen.
Yes, you have a pen.
In my head, I don't think only pen. I think, this is my pen. My pen is blue.
Ah, I understand. Small sentences.
Yes, all day long.
In the morning, I wake up. I think, I am awake. I am hungry. I want coffee.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
I go to the kitchen. I open the door.
Yes, this is training your brain.
I brush my teeth. The water is cold. I see my face. I am very handsome.
That's great confidence. This is tip number 1. Think in small English sentences.
When I'm at home, when I'm on the bus,
Yes, on the bus.
I see a window. I see a red car. A man is walking. It is a sunny day.
Wow, you are doing great.
I am thinking in English. It feels different, but good.
Yes, you connect English to your life, not to your language.
English life, no translation.
Exactly. That is the big secret. Tip number 2. Input. Now let's talk about tip number 2. Input.
Input? What is input?
Input is English going into your brain.
Into my ears?
Yes, into your ears and into your eyes.
Listening and watching.
Exactly.
Like this podcast?
Yes, like this podcast. This is good input.
My brain hears patterns. I am, you are, he is.
Yes, the rhythm, the music of English.
I like that. The music of English.
Listening gives your brain food. English food.
I like English food. So what should I listen to?
VoiceNest English channel, of course. And simple English songs.
I like music.